In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change YouTube Music payment method. Start by opening your browser on your computer or tablet. Once the browser is open, move to the top right corner and click the Google Apps icon. It looks like a small square made of 9 dots. When you click it, a panel opens showing different Google services, like Drive and Gmail. From that list, select Account. This opens your Google account page in a new tab where you manage everything linked to your Google profile. Now that you are in your Google account, look at the left side menu, or the main tiles, depending on your layout. Click Wallet and Subscriptions. This section holds your saved cards, bank options, and every recurring payment linked to your Google account. After you click it, you should see a page that mentions payment methods near the top and subscriptions and services in another area. Next up, you will manage the actual payment methods. Locate the card you want to swap out in the Payment Methods section and click Remove. As soon as you click Remove, Google may ask you to confirm. Once you confirm, that card disappears from the list and can no longer be charged. If you prefer to keep the old card and just add another, click Add Payment Method instead. A form opens where you can enter a new credit card, debit card, or PayPal account. Take a moment to type the numbers carefully. A common beginner mistake is entering an outdated expiration date, which causes the card to fail later. After saving, the new method appears in the list with its last 4 digits visible. With your payment methods updated, move on to connecting them to your actual subscription. Go to the Subscriptions and Services tab. You will usually find it as a separate tab near the top of the same page. When you click it, the view changes to show all active and past subscriptions tied to your Google account. Here you can see items like storage plans or other app subscriptions, each listed with the renewal date and cost. From there, scroll through the list and find YouTube Music Premium, then click Manage. Once you click Manage, a detailed page opens for that specific subscription. It normally shows your current plan, renewal date, and which payment method is being charged now. This is the place where you control billing for YouTube Music only, so changes here do not affect other subscriptions. At this point, you are ready to point YouTube Music at the correct card. Click Change Payment Method and select your newly added card to ensure future billing cycles use it. After you select it, the page refreshes and you should see the new payment method listed under your YouTube Music Premium subscriptions. The change takes effect for the next charge, so your upcoming renewal will use this new card or PayPal account. You have now successfully updated your YouTube Music payment method through your Google account, keeping your subscription ready for future renewals. If this walkthrough helped you sort out your billing, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more quick guides.